Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Lee. Thank you so much, Clinique, for sponsoring this video. As most of you may know, I am a mom of two. So nights and days are pretty hectic around the Loretta household. School is out for the summer, and so I'm learning new ways to get through the day. As I mentioned, this is brand new for me, being that my son is 8 years older than his sister, so I haven't had a baby to take care of in 8 years, and I'm seeing how hard it actually is to be a mom of two, especially when they're in two separate phases of life. So one really wants a lot of attention. She's only 2 months old, so it takes a lot for me. There's nap times throughout the day. I'm also breastfeeding, so she's pretty much attached to me at all times. Then there's my son, who really needs his mom, and he's in the middle of growing and wants the attention that he's had for 8 years. So we have to find ways to balance that out. So we are learning how to ride a bike. We are playing games on his phone, which is really hard to get him away from. But I tried to find ways to entertain him. And then there's me as Beauty by Lee. You guys know me like that, filming tutorials for you. So at the end of the day, I need to find ways to pamper myself because I'm exhausted. So I usually start out by lighting candles because the scent of a candle burning in the air really relaxes me. And then there's the bubble bath. So I really encourage you that if you can, take a bubble bath at least once a week. It really helps to release toxins when you use a little bit of Epsom salt. So I'm really enjoying that as a way to pamper myself. Then there is my skincare. Now it's time to take care of my skin, and this is where I see the first signs of fatigue. My skin gets dry and dull, so I wanted to share with you guys my little system. First, you want to always make sure that you remove your makeup before bed, because this is when your skin is going to regenerate itself. So you don't want to sleep in all of that makeup and all of the pollution that's stuck to your makeup from the day. Once your makeup is off, it's time to really think about the products you're going to sleep in. I'm going to use the Clinique Fresh Press Daily Booster, which has 7 days of product in this vial. You want to make sure you pop the bubble on the bottom of the vial and then mix it up for 15 seconds to make sure that the product is nicely mixed. Then you're going to take a few drops of it into your night moisturizer. I like to use a night moisturizer at night because it's made for sleeping in. Combine that with Clinique's Fresh Press Daily Booster and your skin is going to look absolutely amazing in the morning. I can tell you that my skin looks amazing immediately after the first use, so I'm so excited to see what my skin's going to look like once I complete this vial. But you also want to give yourself at least 4 weeks to see full results of anything that you ever put on your face. I hope you all found this video useful, and if you are in need of a booster, definitely visit your nearest Macy's Clinique counter and pick up a Fresh Press Daily Booster, and let me know how you enjoyed it in the comments below. Till my next video, stay beautiful.